Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 1 hour and 32 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than phone. We can tap inside the graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, where you can check the specific time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, so for example check Wednesday or Thursday, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with a specific time of spent on them. You can also tap directly on the app, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it's tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, here we've got some ways to disconnect. So for example, we can set the app timers. So let's pretend I'm spending too much time on the camera. So all we have to do is to tap on this hourglass icon, and we can set the timer. For example, here I will set it for 30 minutes, and it means that I will be able to use this app for 30 minutes during a day. And after that time, the app will be kind of blacked out, let's say, and it won't be available. It won't be, yes, let's say it won't be available to use it at all. Obviously, I would like to show you how it looks like. So let's set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. This is what will happen after, let's say, 30 minutes of using the camera. It will be grayed out, and after attempting to open it, it will be blocked. And here we've got this pop-out window where we've got the information that the timer ran out, etc., and it will start again tomorrow. Obviously, we can quickly fix that, because we have to simply open the settings, and we will be directly transferred to the app timer, where we can manage it or remove it. However, I still think that it is quite a good idea to just give you a sense that maybe I really shouldn't do that. Maybe I've spent enough time on this app for today, and let's simply don't use it and wait until tomorrow, because obviously this timer will reset at midnight. Alright, so this is what I wanted to show you. And another option, which is, I would say, maybe similar a little bit, is the focus mode. So here we can, for example, mark the apps which are distracting, so from which we are receiving a lot of notifications, like for example the social media apps, etc. So just mark them, set the schedule, so we can choose specific days of the week, specific hours, it's up to you. And after setting it, your device will limit or hide the notifications from those distracting apps. So we will be able to focus on different things, like for example studying, working, I don't know, resting, spending time with your family, or how you would like to use the focus mode. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.